gracious. How does it feel to be?
Hey y'all, welcome back to a new vlog. If you're new here, my name is Nyla. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Come join the family. You're gonna love it here because everybody loves it here and that's on period. So in today's video, we're gonna be getting our life together. You know why? Because we gotta go back to work, baby. So it is time to get our life back together. Starting with meal prepping. So right here, I'm actually meal prepping some salmon that I'm gonna eat for lunch. The reason why it is important for me to meal prep when I am working is truthfully because I don't feel like cooking like when I'm off the clock and I'm trying to minimize going out to eat. So now we are why can't I talk? We are meal prepping breakfast. I decided that I want to do breakfast sandwiches this week, but going forward, since now I'm on my second week of work by the time y'all are watching this, probably my third, depends on when this goes up. I have decided that I would just rather cook whatever I want to eat for breakfast because I'm not going to be eating breakfast at the same time every day just because some days I truly just don't want to eat breakfast because I'm not hungry and it's just too early for me to eat. But anyways, this first week of work, I had decided to make my life easier since I was starting to get up early again. I was like, I'm not finna cook shit. Let's make some breakfast sandwiches. So I just made quick breakfast sandwiches on an English muffin, egg, turkey, bacon, cheese, called it a day. So prepped 5 of those for the week. They were actually pretty good. It was just hard for me to get them down because I was like, oh my God, it's so early. I cannot eat. Next, what I wanted for dinner this week was that Turkish pasta that had been going around on TikTok. When I tell you this shit is so good, it is so good. I was gonna make mine with ground beef. However, when I went to the grocery store, they were also restocking that day, but they were out of ground beef. So I was like, let's use ground lamb, especially because someone's recipe that I was looking at, they use ground lamb instead of ground beef. So I was like, we'll do ground lamb. I didn't fully assemble each of my meal preps with everything that is in the Turkish pasta because I didn't want to heat up everything and have my tomatoes get heated up and my tzatziki sauce. So I would just add those things after I had already heated up the pasta with my meat during the week. But it came out really, really good. So enjoy me making the rest of my food. And then I'm going to come back on camera and chat to y'all. Good morning, guys. I know I look nuts. Happy Monday. It is December 9th. It is my first day of work. It's 7:08 in the morning. Yes, I am my own screensaver. Everybody mind their business. I am awake. I'm gonna take my meds and stuff and then we are gonna get ready for work. So let's go. Never got too many words for me. To make sure I see. Baby, ain't nothing wrong with the love that you and I dream of. So sweet. I just say more than your lips can speak. My friends say that they just can't see. Rise me, talking to me. Yeah. Just ain't no need for words to say. No need for words. No.
talking to me, to me. No need for words to speak, 'cause every touch you give is like you're talking to me.
Alright, you guys, I had to finish doing my hair off camera because the back of it and like the top roller that I did, I feel like those curled right, but like the front piece did not, so I had to like fix it with my Dyson and finagle some things. But the hair's done. Hair's done. It is 8:10. I have my first meeting at 9. So I am about to go in the kitchen. I'm gonna heat up my breakfast sandwich. Thank God I already meal prep breakfast. So all I gotta do is pop it in the air fryer. I already have strawberries cut. So I'm gonna put some of those on a plate with my sandwich. And then when I'm done eating, I'm gonna make a coffee. And then we're gonna go in the office and, you know, eventually get to work. So let's go have breakfast.
Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby. Oh, that country kiss, your heart. See it, so, see it, so, see it, yo, see it. Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby. Gotta keep moving on, keep moving on. Here now, here now, here now, oh, it's your
Hi you guys. Okay, it is 8:50. We are sitting at our desk now. We ate breakfast, which I couldn't even finish all of my breakfast because I don't like eating this early, so I might have to like skip breakfast and just like eat around lunchtime. We'll see going forward because I started to feel like nauseous, and it's because I don't like eating this early, so I couldn't even finish my breakfast. I ate like majority of the sandwich. I finished all my fruit, had some water. Now I'm having coffee. But look at my screen. Make sure my mouse is working. I hate how backlit I am. I might have to turn this light on. All right, I will talk to y'all during lunchtime. Hello, you guys. My curls in the front have dropped a tiny bit. We're gonna curl this differently because the back really did come out really well. But instead of having my salmon that I have prepped the other day, we are gonna have it for dinner. I'm gonna have a salad because I don't want to have double pasta carbs. So my Turkish pasta, we will assemble that for lunch tomorrow, but that's just gonna be in a different vlog. But anyways, I'm gonna have my leftover hawkers. I got some chicken lo mein. I got chicken lo mein, beef bulgogi, and dumplings yesterday. I only ate the dumplings and the beef bulgogi because I was full, so I took the chicken lo mein home. So we're gonna eat that for lunch. Work is going good so far. It's a little bit after 12, by the way. I've had 2 meetings already. My Slack has been blowing up. So yeah, I have a lot of trainings to do and things like that. So we will end up checking in later on when I'm done working. Hey y'all, it is probably 5:30 by now. I stopped working a little bit after 5, but I just made my dinner. Sorry I did not show y'all me making it. Hold on. Okay, can you see it? I made a Caesar salad. I got the Caesar salad kit, like it already comes together. You just gotta mix everything in a bowl. That is from Fresh Market, but you can get it at Harris Teeter, Publix, whatever probably your local grocer is. And then I made the salmon in the air fryer. I showed y'all me seasoning it, what, Saturday? But I cooked it in the air fryer today. I didn't film it because I was hungry. Also, my dad is also in there cooking, so I didn't want the camera and the tripod to be in the way. But I'm eating. We're gonna check in when I'm done. We had a long day. So we will chat when I'm done eating. Hello guys, it's me many days later. It's actually Monday. It is 5:58, so it's about to be 6. It is Monday, December 16th. So if you're watching this and then you watch the vlog that comes after this, yes, I have on the same shirt and everything because I was recording this and for another vlog on the same day. But I was supposed to record this like last Friday. So we are officially a week into our job. I was supposed to do this closing out part, reflecting on my first week and everything on Friday. First week of work, you know, she was good, like no joke or anything. Like she actually was really good. Something that I really appreciate about me starting this job, just like this company and my manager and HR, well, it's called people and culture here, it's not called HR. But something that I really appreciate is that the onboarding process is very, very thorough, and like they actually have like a laid out plan to help you be successful and transition smoothly into your new role. And I thoroughly appreciate that, just because I feel like that is something that I didn't really get at like my last jobs. Like there was onboarding, but like not really. Like, does that make sense? Like people and culture have like an onboarding thing for me, like in Asana, and then like my manager has added some stuff for me to do on there, like not HR, people and culture related, but more so related to like my day-to-day job and getting caught up on things and like reading certain information and watching certain videos and everything, knowing what Google Drive access I need and like what I need to look through on there so that I can be successful in my role, especially because come March, like I'm full-time in my job. But when I say like full-time in my role, like she currently like manages like 9 different projects essentially, and within 3 months of me starting my job, so basically in March, I will then be taking over the management of like those 9 projects instead of her doing it. So I will be responsible for managing those 9 projects within our overall program. And then I'll also be helping with portfolio level reporting. That is what we are like building up towards. And so lots of meetings, lots of things to read, lots of videos to watch, trainings that I have to do, things I have to sign, because I'm also a government contractor. So yeah, it was overwhelming on my first day. We will not lie. I was even honest with like my manager about it, her manager or her boss when I had a one-on-one with her, really anyone else that I met with. But like it's also like going to be a little bit overwhelming, and everyone kind of like shares a similar sentiment of what their first like day and week was like, because it just is a lot of information. But I didn't feel like it was so overwhelming to the point like, oh, I'm gonna have a nervous breakdown or anything like that. Not overwhelming in that way. It's just, it was a lot. They be working me to the bone. They be working me. So I'm not saying that I didn't like work or nothing in my last jobs, but like compared to like now, I was bullshitting. I was like playing around. Even though I did my job and I always did what I needed to do, I was like really bullshitting and playing around. Like now I feel like I'm working for real. But this week is also like a very much meeting heavy week for me. Last week was too, but I feel like I have more meetings this week. But yeah, and then we're like obviously trying to wind down on certain things because people are going to be out the office for the holidays, all that great jazz. But yeah, overall really good first week. I do like my manager. I like my team so far. Everything is going well. Like I said, I really appreciate like the thorough onboarding process for my job, because I feel like that was something that was lacking in my previous jobs. And so I just find that to be really helpful. Everyone's super nice, always available. Not always, obviously we have boundaries and like some people's work hours are different, but what I mean is like people are available to answer any questions that I might have. Everyone's pretty responsive and all these different things. So yeah, I'm excited. I really see a lot of room for professional growth and opportunity here, and so I am very excited. I be tired at the end of the day. Like, baby, today, like I had a meeting. I had my first meeting today, I want to say like around 11. And then I took like a lunch break from 12 to 1. And then from 1 to 5, I was in a meeting back to back to back, no breaks, nothing. In one of my meetings, I had to get up. I put myself, I turned the camera off because I wasn't leading that meeting, so it was fine. I got up and I went to go get an applesauce pouch because I was hungry and I knew I wasn't going to be able to eat my chili until 5 o'clock when I finished that last meeting. But I be tired. I actually be tired after work now. That's nuts. Yeah, anyways, overall, good first week. We have been keeping up with our meal prep. So week 2 of meal prepping has gone good. Instead of meal prepping on Saturday, I meal prepped on Sunday. I made some chili and some cornbread. I decided not to meal prep breakfast because I would just rather make whatever I want to eat when I'm actually hungry. So today I did actually eat like around 8:30, but if there are other days where I'm truly like not hungry until like closer to 10, especially because my meetings might not start until like 11, I will just eat later. But I just had some oatmeal with strawberries and some turkey bacon. I had tea, I made my coffee. I've drank 3 of my water containers today. So my Yeti cup, it holds 18 fluid ounces. I've drank 3 of those today because I'm trying to get my water intake up. I had a yogurt protein shake and some fruit earlier. I did have a few potato chips, but outside of that, everything was relative, in the cornbread maybe that I had for dinner, everything else was relatively decent, healthy. So yeah, we stuck to our meal prep. We're increasing our water intake. Eventually we will add movement back in because I'm really trying to figure out how I want to do that, because I do be tired after work and I also be hungry. And I'm not finna be working out. Normally I do like to work out in a fasted state, but that's when I work out in the morning. If I'm gonna work out after work because I'm hungry, I'm gonna have to eat and then wait for my food to digest. So yeah, I don't know. We're gonna figure that part of it out. If I do decide to work out after work, I'll try and see if I can just hold off on eating, like maybe eat some fruit and a yogurt and then go do my workout and then eat my dinner. It's not giving wake up at 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning. That's not happening. So it's gonna have to be after work, and I'm gonna have to eat like a healthy little snack before I do my workout. I'm trying to decide. So I'm in between a few things. It's either, do I want to buy a walking pad? Because then low-key I could also be on my walking pad while I'm in meetings, so I'm also getting my steps in and being productive. Y'all know I have a standing desk anyway, so I have a standing desk, so I could get a little walking pad in here. I have a mat on the floor, so like it wouldn't be sitting on top of carpet. Something else that I was looking at was re-signing up for one of my 2 fitness apps that I've used in the past. So either the actual Apple like fitness app or Apple Fitness. I've used it before. I actually do think it's pretty cool. And they have a variety of exercises on there, so I could just sign up for that again and do that. Or I could sign up for the Alive by Whitney Simmons app. She's kind of like an OG YouTuber, low-key, and she's a fitness girly. She has her own app. I've used it in the gym before. It's a very good app, great programs. She also has like at-home workouts like on the app. But yeah, we have to figure out the fitness part. But as far as like meal prepping and trying to make better food choices, decisions, and eat a little bit healthier and try and minimize eating out, we are doing well so far. Me and Danielle are trying to keep each other accountable because we got some trips next year. So yeah, anyways, I feel like, you know, we're doing good for getting our life back on track. It has been an adjustment. The first week I was very tired. This week, not so much in terms of like when I initially wake up. I'm tired by the end of the day, but I mean like when I wake up, I'm not as tired anymore because my body's getting used to waking up earlier. So yeah, I'm excited for this new like journey in my career, and yeah, I'll keep y'all updated on how shit's going. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not already part of the family, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You're gonna love it here because everybody loves it here, and that's on period. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you all so much, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Bye y'all.
How does it feel to be you?